How to fix Skype login problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Skype login problem on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and here just type Skype and then click force stop, and now click storage and then clear cache, and after that just click permissions and allow all of those permissions here, and here we'll find the data usage, allow all of those, and then just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem just click Play Store and then Skype and check if there's an update here, and that's it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.